Hi everyone, my name is Camila Carril. Welcome to my home. One of the things that I really wanted for this house is to have a formal living room to welcome my guests. It's a place where I can express my creativity and be more fun really with this space. I decided to do some modern pieces with some vintage finds, from my travels, from places that I've been to. I just love to create some storage to the location that we are at. So I'm going to begin with my coffee table. I fell in love with it when I saw it in a vintage shop. It's beautiful veining, very unique. It's a Cipollino marble. I've got 3 different levels here, and for that I'm going to create a story for each one of them. I'm going to begin with a coffee table book, and I'm going to use this as a base layer for my next sculpture that I'm going to lay on top. What I like about this sculpture is that it kind of matches with the fireplace behind. So for the lowest level, I like to add some life into the room. I just want to make it nice and fresh. So I'm going to add this beautiful bouquet of flowers. We've got some white and greens, and it kind of goes well with the coffee table. I'm also going to add another piece, beautiful texture that ties in well together with the vase. On this level, I've got my artistic objects. On my left side, I've got some life, and then on that one, I want to create a space for my guests. I want to add a bonbonniere with some treats, and to balance it out, I'm going to add these aceline books. So I'm use them to give me some height for the candle. This is amazing, I love it. It's one of my favorites. It's called L'Objet and it's a rose scented. And voila! I think this is my coffee table styling. What do you guys think?